Guitar accessories. As a beginner, you don't need much accessories to begin with. The most common accessory for a beginner are 1. Pick plectrum. It is a triangular piece of plastic used for strumming strings and picking out melody lines. It gives slightly brighter sound than finger. It is made out of a number of different materials and are different thicknesses. What material you prefer or how thick the pick you play with is up to you. We can also have a pick holder, a case where you keep the pick. As a beginner, any size of pick will be okay. 3. Tuner, a device used in tuning the guitar. We have various types of tuner and its more precise way of tuning a guitar. What is the thing called that you put on your guitar? That thing that you put on your guitar is called a capo. What is a capo used for? A capo is used by guitarists to raise the pitch of the guitar so that they can easily transpose a song and play in a different key using the same chord fingerings that they are used to. So a guitar capo is certainly one of the best guitar accessories to have on hand. Guitar strap. A strap is used in holding your guitar up while you stand to play. They are also adjustable so you can have your guitar hang at whatever height you prefer. Cables. Guitar cables are necessary if you have a guitar with a pickup that needs to be plugged into an amplifier. All electric guitars have pickups, and some acoustic guitars have pickups built in so that they are able to be amplified. If you have a guitar with a pickup, grab a guitar cable so that you have a connection to your amplifier. 5. Guitar stand. Every person who owns a guitar needs a place to put it. Now, if you have a case, you may very well just put your guitar in your case and set it up against a wall or tuck it under the bed. However, if you play your guitar every day, it can be a hassle to put it in and take it out of your case every time. Also, if you play on stage ever, you're going to want a guitar stand to hold your guitar for easy access to it. Guitar stands are a great accessory for your guitar and can help prevent your guitar from falling over and getting damaged. If you're used to just setting your guitar against a wall with nothing to hold it upright, never a good idea.